I'm Nigel Stocks, Contracts Manager for Jupiter Construction, and we're on site at Aldi Haydock where we're carrying out a re-roofing project for a long-standing client of ours, Aldi UK. We're using the Onduline system, Onduline Isoline, to ensure minimal disruption to the client. With the store being open, it obviously presents unique challenges, but using the system we're able to carry out our works without any risk to the live store below.
Hello, my name is Paul Duffy of Onduline Building Products. Through a collaborative approach with Jupiter Construction, the Isoline LOW LINE product has been seamlessly integrated into a number of Aldi supermarket stores to enable a waterproof system as well as an aesthetically pleasing solution for the Aldi projects.
For this project, we've partnered with Onduline using their low line Isoline system. This can be laid straight onto the existing roof, which is one of the main advantages of it, and creates a safe working platform for the roofing works to continue above. We're also partnering with Northstone, using Northstone tiles as part of the build-up following the Onduline details to ensure the continuity of the store being live below. Onduline system is not only easy to install, but comes with excellent technical support, ensuring a smooth process from start to finish throughout the project.
So we pair the Isoline LOW LINE system with the Northstone tiles, which offers a seamless aesthetics and not only offers durability and waterproofing, but also keeps the overall aesthetical appearance of the Aldi supermarket store.
At Jupiter Construction, we take pride in delivering excellence by working in collaboration with Burton Roofing, Onduline and Northstone. We can deliver a high quality project with minimal disruption for the end user and leave them with a quality finish and a pleasing aesthetic, whilst all the time ensuring that the store can remain open. Stay tuned for more updates.